river at Spaceport 886, and, well, we didn't quite make it. But I have my good friend, Space Creature, on the ship, checking to see what the issue is. Now, Space Creature is technically the newest recruit on the Space Police. He's very brave, loves a shiny badge, but fixing ships? We're still working on that part. Whoa! Whoa, I'm so sorry about that. The gravity here at Legoland isn't quite what I was expecting. I think I need to do some stretching to get my Legoland legs working. What do you say, cadets? Do you want to get moving with me? Yeah! Ooh, I think I must have some space rocks in my ears. I said, do you want to move? Yeah! Awesome! Let's get started. Hey, crew! Get out here so we can get used to the gravity at Legoland.
Great job, cadets! You all did a great job with those space stretches.
Hello, Space Creature. Oh, your eyes are up there. Please tell me you were able to diagnose what's wrong with the ship?
I come bearing good news. The spacecraft is no longer operational.
What?
We have an engine that won't turn on.
How is that good news? How will we ever get to Spaceport 8?
Because our ship runs on creativity and imagination. According to my calculations, this place is full of both. If all of us here, including these wonderful cadets, combine our creativity to imagine the spacecraft working, we can continue on our intergalactic journey.
Well, that doesn't sound too bad. Tell us what to do first, Space Creature.
First things first, we'll need to power up the spacecraft and turn it on. All right, crew, let's get dancing. Nothing gets the imagination cooking like moving your body.
Feel free to join our crew down here on the ground, or you can help us from your seat.
In order to turn on the spacecraft, we're going to need to generate a wave of creativity through energy. My scanner says we need 3 bursts of creative power before the ship can wake up.
Okay, power burst number 1. With a lot, like you're wearing a spacesuit and a stardust. Wiggle, 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 wiggle again. Shake it out.
Yes! Yes, I see the creativity levels rising. Keep going!
Power burst number 2. Make big arm circles like you're floating through space and steering yourself while floating. Not too fast. We're in 0 gravity. Okay, ready?
out, it's done. I need a second round and pour a lot and don't just stop till my soda pop fizzles out.
Our smaller cadets give it a try with our crew. Big gears turn slow and strong. Move your arms in giant, slow circles.
You guys look great. You are doing amazing, sweetie. Very nice.
Now tiny gears go fast. Quick little robot arms.
Okay. All right, everyone, let's see your robot arms. Faster.
Rusty gear.
Where?
Everyone freeze and shimmy to shake the rust off.
Wow, Space Creature is really good at this. Okay.
Now piston power. Bend your knees and bounce like engine pistons. Boing, 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 boing.
Okay? They are each going to show you a signature move from their home at Lego Galaxy. Now, let's start with the amazing Venus. Now we have Luna. So come on with me, I'll take you high. I'll bring you down the spice of your life. You know I got the things that you like. So come on with me, jump to. Watch me running up the place. I'm already starting and my girls are on the way. Watch me open up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, buzz into the bass. Now we have Venus. I'm not entertained. I ain't gotta explain. I'm with all my sisters. Guys going insane. You know we in the starlight. No gas, no brakes. Yeah, breaking out this system. Breaking out this cage. Yeah, she get lost.
Now lean to the right. Very good. Lean to the left.
Okay.
Balance on one leg.
Oh.
Great job.
This is awesome.
Now still on one leg. Lean to the right. And still on one leg. Lean to the left. Wow. We have some super balancers here.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Space wind on the right side. Lean right to counterbalance.
Okay, come on everybody.
Meteor shower on the left.
Okay.
Lean left.
Okay.
Everyone tighten your space core.
Okay.
Pretend you have a glowing power ball in your belly holding you steady. Balance on one leg. Landing on a tiny asteroid. Don't fall into space.
Don't do it. Don't do it, guys.
We're so close to getting the ship back in the air. I can feel it. Now that we turned on the ship and got the gears moving, it's time to get that creative energy flowing through the ship. The is the most important step.
Okay.
I happen to know there's one type of dance Legoland friends love that always gets things moving.
The hand drive.
Conga line!
Conga line. Yeah, we'll do that. That's okay, Space Creature. We can do the hand drive for like the next show. All right, everyone. Come join our crew in the greatest compromise you'll ever see. Come on. Don't be shy. Hey, Space Creature. Do you come here often? I can't really hear you, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm just like here with my friends and just having a little fun. Space Creature, how does the moon know when to stop eating? It's full. Thank you, everybody. Almost messed that one up. It's okay. This is an amazing conga line, everybody.
And she is so blue.
Impose!
Great news, everyone! The ship is just about ready to fly.
Okay.
But we have one more thing we'll need to do to get the ship up in the air. Lift off! We're going to jump when I say jump.
All right, crew, get back up here with us. Come on, guys. We can do it. Hi, there's the conga line. How was it? Okay. Great. Welcome back.
The engines are rumbling. Oh, I need to see your fastest feet to charge the thrusters.
Okay.
Run in place. Faster. Faster.
All right, everyone. Arms back like rockets. Bend your knees. Big launch power. Come on.
Thrusters in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! You did it, cadets! You got our ship off the ground!
Amazing job. I just knew we could count on you. And you know what? I think we should celebrate. Do you know what you should celebrate with? One more dance number. All right, everyone. Clap it out. I know you want to. Dance break. Thank you guys so much for joining us at Mission Blast Off. I love ya. Great job, cadets! I just knew we could count on you. We're gonna stick around for a few minutes before we head over to Spaceport 886. We want to get as many photos as we can to remember our time here at Legoland, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your stay here at Legoland, California Resort! Stella Vega out.